Hi guys, let's see if I can show you this issue on YouTube. Let's see if you can actually hear it, listen it. Sorry about my English, eh? Okay. No, not there. There.
Porque vamos a hacer ahora una... Porque vamos... Por favor. Porque vamos a hacer ahora...
It's a little sound there.
Porque vamos a hacer ahora una cosa nueva. Es un invento. Maravilla. Porque vamos a...
I don't know if you can hear it.